Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishnan Nair, and here basically we are discussing about the currencies dependency. So in currencies dependency, uh, we basically saw that basically to what level the currencies dependencies basically are there. So in this basically we discussed that basically how American government basically keeps the matrix basically, and that matrix is equal to one software basically which is keeping the entire horoscope of Indian nationality. That software the American government 100% might be having. That's why they are basically a digital world. Basically, that USA basically itself is a digital world. Basically, that's why they are known as a digital world. They do their advertising They do basically the software advertising according to that only. Basically, they have the each and every softwares basically who keeps up to the level information, and they do the advertising also. Basically. And few country basically literally test that basically whether American government basically are up to that level or not basically, so that we can how basically we can say that basically this American government can handle our software, so that up to that level basically they uh, test few country basically before giving the contract to any country basically that's the system of that country basically they check that basically. So that is totally different thing basically. Few countries basically have the habit of checking that's basically it might be good also, because once the contract is given then basically you can't cancel the contract. So like this basically things are also basically there. Then basically he told that basically the currencies basically are connected with the currencies, and currencies basically are connected with the governments. Governments are connected with the currencies, and currencies basically are connected to the physical place, and the currencies are basically connected to the human needs also. Basically you can say currencies are basically connected to the each and every blood groups basically, that also you can say. Few people says that basically this currency basically the owner of this currency basically is one A blood group person basically. Up to that literacy means up to that level basically things are basically mapped basically. So one person told that basically you basically might not have got visa in Dubai. That might be the reason here basically. Have you checked that basically? Then he told that no basically I have not checked here basically. The person basically uh, who is basically the owner of this particular currency basically, Dubai currency basically, he's basically one A blood group person basically, A positive blood group person basically. Do you know that basically it might possible that he might not have approved you? Then one of the person told that basically no basically this is actually discussion forum basically. So in this basically somebody asked that I have actually applied for visa in Dubai, but I have not got the visa here basically. So he told that basically there I checked each and every thing basically. I checked each and every system basically. I have good contacts in Dubai government. There also basically I checked, but they told that basically there was no reason here basically. But they have not given the visa basically. So in visa basically the software basically this type of thing is not there basically. This type of thing is not there that this person is basically the blood group A positive blood group person basically is the owner of Dubai. Sorry, of the owner of Dubai visa basically. If anybody wants Dubai visa basically without his approval, visa basically even the system basically approves it. If he basically rejects, then basically the visa is rejected. So up to that level basically things are basically. So in description basically it's written that some reason basically, but they have not written the reason. So some reason was this basically. That was the A positive blood group person basically, the owner of the blood group person basically rejected that person basically. Reason to asking that person basically A blood group person was because the person basically who applied the Dubai visa, he was from A positive blood group, and he was basically connected with that particular owner blood groups. So like this the conflict basically started between that particular person, the person who basically was rejected basically, and the person who rejected, that means A positive blood group person basically rejected that A positive person basically. Like this basically that person basically started getting disease, and lots of disease basically he got, lots of medicine basically he treat, lots of things basically happened. So like this basically things are there basically. So like this person told that basically, one person told that basically, mm, is this way also basically the currency basically gets effect. Then he told that basically it might possible, yeah, 0.00001 paisa basically might be getting effect. For example, 5 lakh people basically applied for H1B visa. Only basically 1 lakh people basically got the visa. So 4 lakh people basically was rejected. Due to this rejection basically, according to the blood groups and the data basically which is available in the blood cells of that 4 lakh people, that affected the currencies of the dollar basically, that affected the currencies of the dollar and of the Indian INR also basically. Indian INR basically why? Because Indian people basically has basically have the given the visa of that particular person basically little bit late basically. The visa was submitted little bit late. Due to that late basically, this group basically was not able to get the visa basically. Due to that late submission basically, this 4 lakh people basically was not able to get the visa basically. But mostly this type of thing basically never happens. Just taking as an example basically. Uh, like this because visa basically you can't submit the entire visa on the one side basically, right? That basically is not possible. That system basically is there basically, then basically that might be thing basically. So here basically I have taken that single visa basically submission is happening. Each and every people basically can't submit the H1B visa in one time basically, right? That system basically might be that basically, for example, each and every 5 lakh people basically have submitted the visa at this day, this, that. Then basically the visa system basically is connected with the Indian government only basically, and then basically they submitted the visa, that visa process at same time only basically by the submission system basically. There might be having some such submission system basically. So like this basically the 4 lakh people who was rejected due to that data basically, due to that data means energy data, the currency basically got affected by both side basically, by INR side and by the uh, American dollar side also basically. And this basically generated one energy in that basically visa system, and that basically was captured by the power company and by the energy company and by the nuclear power company, and that connected to little bit magnitude of earthquake basically. Because because the nature group basically, that is the energy group basically, they say that basically each and every process basically which has happened in this world, basically I'm telling, that has to be tracked. So it can be in the form of earthquakes, it can be in the form of little bit air, it can be in the form of the T tsunami, or it can be in the form of anything basically. So here the negative things happened to that blood groups, so it basically reacted. So like this basically things are also getting effect to the blood to the currencies basically. And currencies basically are connected here basically. So just see basically up to what level this all thing basically are given in the book basically 100%, which I am telling them. But they can't say basically directly, they basically can't disclose this type of thing basically directly. One example basically I have given, that is basically the metrics of the USA government basically, sorry, the metrics of the 22 crore people which basically American government is having one system basically. That metrics are amazing, so they can't disclose that metrics directly in front of the public basically, in front of the conference basically. They can't say that basically 22 crore people basically are there and Indian government had basically done this many investment basically. That type of thing basically they can't disclose directly basically. But the software basically are there basically, and that basically affects currency system directly basically. And this 4 lakh people basically rejected and 1 lakh people basically got the visa, that also basically affects directly to the currency system basically. That basically direct effect happens basically to the currency system basically. That basically the plus minus happens of the currency rate basically. So in next video we are going to see a little bit more about currencies.